All right, folks. Before we head into this segment, Livingston White, Denzi Stevenson Miller, and former MP, Lisa Hanna is a former MP?
Yeah.
Former MP.
No, she is a member of parliament, former minister.
Former minister, Lisa Hanna, all celebrated birthdays yesterday, so happy belated to all of you. All right.
And Chris Plummer from the SAT room also had a birthday yesterday.
Yeah. Everybody born yesterday?
Not everybody, but
most people in the world.
Most people, but. All right, go on now.
You're going to figure out what you just asked me a while ago, you know. What if our hands, feet, and our eyes could talk? Well, this morning we've been given a list of body parts and challenged to play this game. So what if our body parts could speak?
And there's no context to this.
That's the problem I have.
All right. So my eyes would say, you know, I wish I could see right through that wall.
You know, there's not no wall you would want to see right through.
And see all the way to Russia. I wish.
To Russia? Why Russia?
Right far. In other words, I'm just trying to say should be able to see very far.
You want to have X-ray vision?
Yeah.
X-ray.
Yep. What would your eyes say?
If my eyes could speak, they would say, boy, I would like to be closed right now. Until about 9 o'clock. That's really what they would say right now.
My fingers.
Every Monday and Friday, my fingers say, Lord, please let I keep to myself and don't drink out Neville into his ear. Because he's so provoking that he could spend the whole time doing that.
What would my fingers say? What would my fingers say?
Can I, Lord, please let me keep them to myself?
I have no idea what my...
Do you have roaming fingers?
What would my fingers say? Why, that's that one they had for me. What would my fingers say? I don't know. I have no idea what my fingers would say. Why I have 10 and not 12 or 14 fingers? I have no idea. Why we have 10, by the way?
Don't ask me anything. What would your stomach say?
My stomach? Boy, I wish I would.
This is too random, unique. You need to give us
some kind of context.
Yeah.
I wish this someone could have just stay right here for the next 10 years. Nice.
And do not go anywhere.
Yeah.
My belly always feel like it's touching my back, so I always allow myself to get hungry. So my stomach would probably say, can you kindly feed me on a regular basis, is what my stomach would say. My underarm, what would your underarm say, Nev? I know what other people's underarms could possibly say.
My underarm would say, I kind of don't like how this deodorant feels. Why do I have to wear it?
Is she squishy? My underarm would say, hello, anybody be on these trees?
That is not true. That's not true.
I don't know. What would your foot say?
Why do I have to step in water and mud and other things
My
that
feet would constantly be begging for a rub up.
To step into.
Or a rub down.
What's your foot say?
Or a pedicure. That's what it would be doing.
Oh.
Begging for a rub up or a rub down.
What would your head say?
My head would say, follow your heart. See what I did there? And that's usually good advice. What would your head say?
How come me not bright like the rest of the people?
Yeah, your head said that right. You know, our head said that too. You know, your head should say, just bleach me full blonde. Or bald me.
Well,
but you're not taking on the challenge.
No, I'm going to do it and I'm just nervous, but I'm going to do it. I'm nervous, but I'm going to do it. My buttocks. Yeah, so it would say, why them can't sit down on them knee? Why them always have to sit down on me? Oh, I'm a poet.
Oh, you're a poet and you don't
know it.
And look at that, London's giving us the wrap up.
No.
We've got to go, everybody. News is next on Smart
No,
Jamaica.
we have
Please
one
stay with
more.
us. No,
And this
London
one
says
would
wrap.
say,
London says we have to go.
I would like to.
Yeah, man. Yeah, go on, you have time. What happened?
We're going for the break. We're going a long time.